Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now. Friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Dogecoin. What's the current price of the Dogecoin? What's the price change is occurring in the Dogecoin? And this video I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now friends, at this video I'm talking about the holders big mistake. Be safe from loss, wake up in the market and be safe from loss, friends. As you can see here, if you look the current price of the Dogecoin in the market, so the current price is going wrong from the yesterday, but now once again the Dogecoin start explosion, and I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, friends. As you can see here, now the currently latest price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.393579 USD dollar, friends. We can't expect this price from the Dogecoin. As you can see here, as you know about the Dogecoin, that the people expect the 0.01 USD dollar and 1 USD dollar price from the Dogecoin. But unfortunately, from the yesterday, the Dogecoin is gaining fast down, friends. But now, as you can see here, that the last 1 hour price change is again positive. So maybe there is a lot of chances they will continue this jump for a long time, and they can hit 0.01 USD dollar or 1 USD dollar and this jump, friends. Anyways, friends, let's see the changes occur in the Dogecoin. The last 1 hour's price change is positive, except after the last 1 hour, as I told you that the previous last 1 day, last 1 week price change is negative, friends. Let's see the price chart for more details. As you can see here, friends, the previous time changes occur in the Dogecoin, so continuously fast occur in the Dogecoin, friends. Absolutely, the price is going down very fast. I can't understand that what's going in this time in the Dogecoin. And if we zoom the last 1 hour price change, so as you can see here, now they are again fast down. Oh my god, I can't believe that. You can see here at this time jump occur, but after jump, as you can see, they are again fall down, friends. So now I think at this time they have no idea to take a jump, friends. I think my prediction is about Dogecoin is that they continue this falls for the next few hours, and after a few hours there is a possibility to they again jump, friends. After a few hours there is possibility to again take a jump, friends. Now currently I think they have no idea to take a jump, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Dogecoin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.